To set your Galaxy Buds Live that's connected to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to read your schedule full content allowed, you have to enable read aloud full content for the schedule in the Galaxy Buds Live setting. To do so, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen, find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, and then type the app name. Next, tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon, and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap earbud setting, and then tap read notification allowed. Next, tap schedule. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch next to read notification allowed until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select read aloud full content. With this setting, your Galaxy Buds Live will read the title and the time of the schedule you have on Samsung Calendar aloud to remind you about the event. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.